Hi, I'm Rachel Vitullo and welcome to How To Hair. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a low textured ponytail. To see how to prep for this look, head on over to my textured wave tutorial. When creating any ponytail, whether it be high or low, my best recommendation is to always divide the hair into 2 or more sections. What this is going to do is just guarantee that the ponytail is going to hold for the day, the next day, the day after, and maybe the day after that. Creating our low ponytail, we're going to divide the hair into 2 sections. Our first section is going to be a horizontal section across the top of the ear. Using our flexible hold hairspray, what we want to do is spray the exterior of our first section. When spraying this section, we want to make sure that we spray the hairspray past where we're going to be tying the hair. What that's going to do is create security around the elastic, so when we tie there won't be any lumps or bumps. Using your soft brush, you want to brush the hair into the section that you need. Whenever you're creating a low ponytail, the most flattering level that your ponytail will be sitting on is the same angle as the jaw. So by having your ponytail tie and align with the jawline, you're going to get that really nice strength in there and pull that right up into your pony. Using an elastic, we're going to secure the first ponytail in. Once our first ponytail is in, I'm just going to spray all the little flyaways along the hairline. I'm going to be working with a center part in this low ponytail today. So what we want to do is create a beautiful amount of lift right on that crown area. What that's going to do is accentuate that curve and give a really beautiful flattering shape when everything's secured in. So taking horizontal sections, using your soft brush again, we just want to add a little cushion into that crown area. With this look I'm creating today, it is a textured ponytail, so don't stress too much about having lumps and bumps through the hair, because we want to make sure that that looks natural and organic and raw. So we're going to incorporate our top section into our ponytail on the bottom. So just massaging that root area and molding the hair into where our first ponytail is, so when we secure the hair back, you just get that nice transition from the hairline into the ponytail. Having my hand in a V section right underneath that ponytail, and I'm just going to rake the hair into my hands. Once all the hair's in the position that I want it, I'm just going to lift that crown area ever so slightly before I close my hand. And what that will do is just make sure that that lift in through that crown area is still there. And we're going to secure that off. Just going to check the balance and the lift on the crown area. See how you get that really nice lift in through here, and then that beautiful curve into the ponytail, and see how we get that strength from her jaw all the way up into where that ponytail ties. Take a little bit of hair from underneath the ponytail, and we're going to hide the elastic. So before we wrap the hair around the elastic, just want to make sure that we use just a flexible hold hairspray and just spray that all the way to the tip. And we're going to wrap around that elastic there. Using a bobby pin, we're just going to hide those little ends in. Once the hair's been wrapped around the elastic, we want to work on the ponytail now. When creating a textured ponytail, you want to make sure that you have as much expansion into that ponytail as you can. What that'll do is add to the dramatic look. So splitting the ponytail in two sections, we'll work with the underneath first. So when creating any expansion, separate the ponytail slightly in your hand, and where the grooves are of the wave, we're just going to take our soft bristle brush and push upwards. This is going to create a really nice amount of expansion without there looking like there's backcombing marks. So just spread that out a little bit more and then work on the edges. Once the underneath is complete, we're going to drop that top section, spread that out once again, and just really enhance that movement. So to set the ponytail, what we're going to do is spray in the I Want Body Volume powder. Product will do is set all of that movement that you created in your ponytail without it looking like there's any product in the hair at all. If you're wanting to add any more texture into the front of the ponytail, just using the tips of your fingers, massage the hairline to release those shorter pieces. And that completes a textured low ponytail. If there's anything in particular that you'd like to see, make sure you comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.